Prophet ﷺ, he said, رحم الله رجلا, may Allah have mercy upon a slave. قام من الليل فصلى, he got up at night and he prayed. He got up and he prayed. وأيقظ امرأته, and he woke his wife. فإن أبت, if she refuses to wake up, نضح في وجهها الماء, he sprinkles some water on her face. Just sprinkle, a little sprinkle, brother. No, or a bucket on her. A little sprinkle. He sprinkles, sallallahu alayhi, he said that the person sprinkles some water on the face of his wife. ثم نضح في وجهها الماء, he does it to her face. وَرَحِمَ اللَّهُ, may Allah have mercy upon a what? امرأة, a woman. قامت من الليل, she got up at night. فصلت, she prays. وأيقظت, and she woke up زوجها, her husband. فإن أبى, he refused to wake up. She tried to wake him up and he refused. Then what she did is she took water and she sprinkled it on his face. May Allah have mercy upon that woman as well. Yani this is the best wife to have. A wife that will wake you up at night time and say, Habibi, have you prayed? Your 𝗤𝗶𝘆-𝗨𝗨. And a husband that wakes his wife up at night and says, have you prayed 𝗤𝗶𝘆-𝗨? The scholars, they took from this hadith that the person should not pray 𝗤𝗶𝘆 in jama'ah. Scholars, they took from this, intentionally, you shouldn't. If it happens that you are praying 𝗤𝗶𝘆 yourself and somebody joins you, then there's 𝗓 بَأْسَ بِهِ, لأن we have hadith 𝗙𝗪𝗺 hadith Ibn Abbas when he visited the Prophet in the house of Maymuna. Like to intentionally make a congregation of jama'ah qiyamu'l-layl other than Ramadan, there is no evidence for that.